Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thought today's video was going to be fun and exciting because we were going to get rid of the hideous antenna that comes on the GT hatchbacks, and we were going to go to a shark fin from the sedan. Yes, I have many antennas sitting here. I will explain. So originally, I wanted to get rid of that antenna, so I bought from AliExpress a carbon fiber shark fin antenna, and it doesn't fit. This guy was supposed to fit over that guy, and he doesn't fit.
How hard can it be?
He's too small. So that was my first plan. That didn't work. So then I found one that someone else had bought that does fit over the antenna. The only problem is it looks a bit shit.
No, God, please, no, no!
Because it's not really a shark fin, it's more like a porpoise fin, and it doesn't seal well, and it just doesn't work. So then my plan was to take the antenna off completely, which I did, and I covered up the hole, and I bought a new shark fin, and I just stuck it on with some tape, and I had no antenna. And I didn't really care for a while. I had no navigation because I use the phone, no radio because I just listen to Apple Music. But then I had an idea. What if I buy an antenna from a GT sedan, the shark fin, the OEM one? It should bolt right on. And it does, if you buy the right one. So this is the connector from the OEM antenna on the GT. It's got a ground connector and then one of those guys. What I bought was a shark fin from a Kia non-GT. So it looks like that, not that. So after I got over the annoyance of buying the wrong antenna, I took the guts out of both and tried to make it work, and it didn't quite work. However, I've taken the guts out of the original antenna, which is this metal plate in here with the circuit board on top and the connectors, and I have made it fit into an AliExpress shark fin antenna.
Right, I'll give it a try.
No. Try not. Do. Or do not. There is no try.
So it's in there pretty securely. You know, it moves a little bit, but once we get that bolt on there that goes in there, it should be okay. Okay, so to get at the antenna connector, which is in there, there are 4 clips on the headliner here. You pull those clips out, they just look like this. They're just the typical plastic clips. Then you can pull this down. You can see there's the one connector for the ground. The other connector in there, you can feel for it, it's on the right-hand side. And then you just undo the nut on the bottom, and then away you go. It's a bit tight to work in there. I'll see if I can get the new antenna on. So there we go, guys. Shark fin installed. It's all connected and buttoned up. I'm back to having radio and navigation, so seems to be all good. Also, we got a little delivery. The brake rotors are here for the rear of the car. Nice big vented rotors. Stay tuned, a lot more stuff coming up. See you in the next one.